I just want to give a shout out to Mario and Mark as well for hosting us here. Such a wonderful event, and look forward to coming back to Aruba.
I think the warmth that I have felt from the moment I stepped off the plane this afternoon has just been enormous, and it's the reason why our guests love coming to Aruba. There's a genuine warmth. Take a look at where we are today. This evening, I should say. This is Aruba. It is authentic. People are happy. There is this great breeze. It's warm, but there's no humidity. It's absolutely perfect.
El luxury cruise lines está creciendo drásticamente desde el momento para nos mostrar turista também desfrutar de nossa isla. Dus ave de momento aqui não pode desfrutar e experiência turismo crucero real. Nera ave nos dois barcos de puerto, Carnival Celebration e Carnival Vista e contamente master para nos de Adventure of the Seas, que a parte são somente importante e que ave nos para showcase Aruba nanang. E nang também experiência essa aqui para e seguir bem de Aruba para nós. Como destinação para nós é sumamente importante que nós quer crescer de uma maneira responsável e de parte da high season já nós chega nossa capacidade acaba. Nós quer enfocar mais na temporada de low season, pero nós quer enfocar também de maneira mais indicada anteriormente em luxury cruise lines, onde que barco na mais chiquito. E o que nós temos é affluent travelers, que também riba tipo de barco aqui. Nós estamos falando de Ritz-Carlton, Four Seasons, pronto tem outro linha luxoso que está em desenvolvimento, que para 2027 não está interessado para vir a Aruba, que está uma linha sumamente exclusiva, pero quando nós estamos trabalhando duro também para nós elevar o serviço na Aruba também.
Just want to let everybody know that it's been an amazing experience. Again, being the third time that I come here and seeing all my other cruise industry colleagues and the Platinum members, it's so far exceeded my expectation. It's been so lovely. I love the people. Been to Aruba. This is my third time, but I actually get to sleep overnight for a couple of days, and it's been just nothing but exceptional. And love the people in Aruba, just the whole environment and the atmosphere. I think just continue the partnership, continue working together, seeing how we can enhance the guest experience and the crew experience in Aruba. And again, Aruba, Bonaire, Curaçao, the ABC Islands are very important for Carnival Cruise Lines and the whole industry as well.
I think that there is a genuine feeling of warmth, and I said that, and there's a reason why, because I think it comes through. And I only wish Aruba was a little closer to Miami because of its location. It's a little further south, so it takes a little longer to get here. So people have to be willing to travel a little longer to get here. If they're going to leave from Miami, it's a 9-day cruise. So we've got to either move them from Puerto Rico or someplace else that's a little closer because you guys are so south. But that same location is the reason why we've got this great weather. It's the reason why you don't get the hurricanes that we do. So there's a give and a take to everything.
We te quiere dar satisfaction con anta experiência, con lo que con an guest ambita experiência. E os últimos 2 dias nan kemen ku expectativa não tanta grande e nossa exit to the expectation panan. E kuta ajuda também ko guys, Aruba me certa riba veterinário aqui. Qua FCCA, zowel den cruise executive nan e de participante, eta un record breaking para FCCA, dus é algo somente que não está sumamente satisfecho per sé, per logro aqui, seguro que sim.